come slash. Oh, see.
Big one.
And here. Wow.
마중 자는 मैथाजों.
라파죠.
마중 자네 아들.
라파.
Hello everyone, welcome back.
mới thắng à đây. Ơi. Mới thắng á.
Đang lấy ơ.
난도 나나 왜 나봐. 카세. 톡 카세. 나이니 앙등 나 나가케. 아이데.
Này chụp lỗ.
Ơi chụp lỗ đi lên mà sẽ. Ủa cái đi lên.
Ngái này bố nàng thì muốn đủ lắm bay mà sẽ.
Ho. Lên mà sẽ. 1 2 here where? Oh here. Oh đi bên nàng được. Okay. Ê. Bộ khóa đó.
Mà la.
Bộ khóa đó đây. Decide. Here one, another one. And again. Oh, here again one. Oh. Again here. Oh, here again one. And here. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Jatra. Wait, I'll show you more. Okay, I'll show you more. Wait. We are taking out. Which is? The location is just near to our house. See, actually this is our Erakanat garden. See, and when there is heavy rain, then water overflows and comes this side, and this brings fish for us. I did not check this one. Another one. Oh, there is here. Oh, again. Hey, that's also shaking, man. Wet. Huh? They said shaking, man. Shaking. Where? Oh, yes. Here. Ooh. Ridong bau nang. Again. I think I have seen again. Where? Where? Oh, here. See. What this fish is called, I don't know. In our language, we call it soltoka. And some say it khanda also. Khanda. We have covered whole part from here to this side. It requires 3 nets. This is one kind of hanging net, which we call it Pasi jaal. It is one kind of trapping net, which where fish will come and get hanged on their necks. Hey, this side too. Oh, current is there, no? Current is there. That is why it is not fixed properly. I don't know fish is there or not this side. All torn here. See? Oh, shaking. I think there is. Oh, yes, there is. Here. You see. Wow. Fish dry fried today. Again. Oh, shaking. Here again. Oh, again and again. Some more this side. Again. No more. We get sufficient fish for around 2-3 meals for one family. Around half kilo, 1 kg, like that. And this side we have that rubber plantation, which I made video last week from this area about rubber processing. No, this was the spot. Yeah.
Hey,
고건.
이 실로 낭등. 조실로 실로 낭등. 매서 고.
Oh.
나서 키바바이도 바보.
Ada mini sih.
Hei. Amnya nih.
Nama ini mini rice ya.
bukude.
Akhirnya Pak Sembuh jali.
Sana lang
Đó
đó
là nó là nó cái đi trong lúc
Belai. Langgap. Ho.
Nggak nih dia kerja menengmuman.
Mau di kerja?
Nih ini kerja.
Gidi kerja?
Oh.
Mau menai le ada ini. Pikir nunbai rongja ada. Ngora nggak?
Yes.
Ngora nggak?
Yes.
Ruhut.
đi ra.
Oh iya dong, Bo. Now we got this mask. Again we will be taking out from the net from this side. Again there are some this side. Ari dong bo da ade, ari hai.
Nâng ha, sao tụi nó giang?
Hey, dong ra. Berusaha. Gila.
Mà thế lấy cái dấu được bây giờ này có lên mấy thế này. Đây chú đã làm cái vật chứ?
Taharna. Ke jauh zian hasialan ke jauh sih.
그래서 올라난 거.
Alvon.
해야 좋은다. 그좀 다 이거 가봐야 좋네.
Kau nuah khimat. And the biggest one. Thiban thiak hai. Oh, see. Oh ho. Ro. See. Very big. See. Bin desin. Bah.
Đi nào giáo hộ hay.
Ho.
Lại của mấy đàn này.
Ho. Sampai dah gulung beda.
Bạn lúc con thuê.
First.
Này bạn xong phải thôi vậy.
Nhưng mà.
Lúc cô nói gì?
Aska dry fry.
Nhưng mà.
Oh, big one. See. Ho.
Wow. Khá này à?
Khá này beriba. Daso nang deng da duhoi nai lagi amun thuju.
Kaya mưa rồi.
Ya mun tho.
First.
And using of this hanging net is very easy, okay? Just tie the other end and the other end and put it like this.
Bự khứ lấy đấy.
Easy, just you have to put like this, man.
Đấy, cái đó là cái sợ rồi.
Unthai. Here little problem because there is current. Much current is little problem for such kind of net. But if you can put, it is very helpful. Này, माथो गोबाङै मोनबाय आदै ना? बे गिदिरथारलै. Yo, onjai खेबसे.
Yo.
मोनबाय नालाय एसे खुसि जाबाय मोनजानायसै. फ्रियावनो no need to buy, no. Just buy this kind of net for 90 rupees, 80 rupees from the market. Where there is river, put it like this. Then it's very easy. All the fish will come and get hanged on their nets. Very easy. See the water level, see the intensity, it is this much only. See, in our Arakanat garden, all this battle nut garden, see. And our house is that one. See. Just nearby to our house. If you have such kind of net, no, you don't need to struggle. But there should be fish available also. Otherwise, simply putting the net like this is not enough. नाबो थानांगोन ना माथो फासियालखौल' ओरै गोलावै होलाबायलालाय मोथो जानाय ना माथो आदै yes or no yes or no आदै
No.
Mom is arranging the net again after taking out the fish. Mom is arranging because still water is there and still fish is there. We will catch again more and more from here. We will get more and more I think again. Mommy is arranging very well because there should not be any gap. Fish should not go through. See. बेखौ माजों जानो मैथाजों
लाफाजों
माजों जानो आदा
लाफा
बे नाखौ जों लाफाजों जागोन with लाफा fish oh please subscribe the channel please subscribe होनजा
है आं होनो रोङालै
देरा खेबसे होन
प्रेस नां खाय
देरा मोजां होन
है आं रोङालै
देरा खेबसेल'
no
मोजां होनरा अननानै देरा आदै please subscribe
press
खेबसे मौसा एसे गोख्रै होनरा दे
press खाम slash
देरा मोजां होन खेबसे मौसा
है आं होनो रोङालै
देरा
प्लिज गासिनायसै
अननानै आदै खेबसे होनबावदो मोजाङै
प्रेस नां
बावलायलाङो
आं बावलै sam slash
माबोरै होनदों subtitles subscribe please subscribe होनरा दे
press press
surprise दे जाबाय दे बाय बाय होनदो दे
bye bye
याय नै माथो मावग्लुबखो नै नांबावबाय नै one more just now net is put and again another one is caught see wow see how they get hanged नै बखौ फैदो आदै ओरै फै आलायारन आदै आलायारन ओरैबो फैबायरा हरै दाहारना ओंखायनो ओरैसो खारबाय नाया we got this much fish now this much just within 1 hour we got this is little big one you see नै आदै नै